Hello, my creative creatures. So today I just wanted to talk a little bit about my continuous quest for creativity. So I'm doing my garden now, and I'm decorating my garden. No, I'm not really decorating my garden, but while I'm doing my garden, I'm thinking, you know what this garden needs? Some rocks. Some pretty rocks. And so because I am a creative creature, I just go ahead and get some rocks and start painting them. These rocks will eventually find their way into my garden, and they will make me smile every single time that I see them. So yes, this is going to be a dotted rock video, but there are some really great YouTube videos out there of really talented artists who are doing really great things, and I just kind of probably do not have the constitution to do that for hours and hours. That's what I'm kind of learning, but I do still love to paint rocks. So I'm just gonna paint the rocks, and they're not gonna be perfect, and sometimes they're gonna look maybe a little bit jacked, but you know what? They will be pretty. And I will either disperse them around my neighborhood, or give them to friends and family, or just decorate my yard with them. And that makes me very happy. And that's what I try to express to everyone who knows that I'm like a crafter. Every single day, you should be on a quest for creativity, whether it's playing an instrument, acting, writing, anything. It could be anything. Cooking. We are creative creatures, and the only way that we can be happy is if we actually get to express creativity. Before I forget, I'm reading this book today. It is a great book. I recommend. See, look at that. Look at that mistake right there. I don't care. It's fine. It's just paint. I just want to say real quick too, because I do every crafting kind of event or class or anything that I come across, and I always tell people, like, a lot of times we're in our own heads. Anything that you do can be erased, painted over, glued together. If you're just being creative and you're not trying to be a perfectionist, you can really have fun with this. There's no mistakes. It's just opportunity to do something different. If you really have your heart set on it looking a specific way, then you can try it again and use this as a trial run. That's just all I wanted to say about that. But anyway, what was I talking about before? Probably nothing. I'm just gonna let you go and listen to some beautiful music. Stay on that continuous quest for creativity, please. Be a creative creature in your life. Encourage others to be creative. And if you're just curious about my adventures, I do it all because I'm a little bit woo-hoo, and I can't really say that I found one thing that I'm completely obsessed with and want to do nothing else. So you might see woodworking here. You might see sewing. You might see painting. You might see gardening. I might be cooking. I am just on a creative quest, and it's going to last the rest of my life. It's how I started in the beginning with my mom, and it's how I am now, and it's going to be how I am in the future. And I'm just very grateful to have remembered later in life that this is what truly makes me happy. So, God bless you, Mom. That's my mom sneezing. Allergies, really bad right now. It's May, and I just came in from outside, and I probably let in all the pollen of the neighborhood. But I'm going to go back out there, and I'm going to garden, but I just wanted to get this video out for you guys. And please, share what you're being creative with now, whether it's diamond painting, felting. Trust me, I know about everything. Jewelry making. I am curious. Just regular mixed media on different canvases. I'm curious about everything. Oh, I'm making flower pots. That's fun. I'm about to make a raised garden with drip irrigation. See, these are the conversations that my family has to endure, where I'm like brainstorming and completely in mania and just like I'm doing everything all at once. And if you look at my channel, you can see I probably mean that. I want to do everything all at once. So I know the YouTube algorithm hates it, but you're never going to come to Hey Maaa and see just like one thing. You're going to come in and it's going to be whatever the flavor of the day is. And I like my world like that. But I know that some people are very specialized and they're very fine-tuned, and because of that they get great at one thing, but I'm more of a Jane of all trades. So again, all right, I'm really gonna go now. Gonna let the music play out and you can see the finished results real quick. It's almost done, don't you worry. Thank you for staying till the end. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe for more creative projects, and I appreciate you. Bye.